Guys, we got a 2016 Chevy Caprice. All we did was put mufflers on the rear. I just want to clarify that, like, off the jump. That's all we did was put mufflers on the rear, but he's got a cam in it, long tube headers, comes down to the X pipe, all the way back. And this is, we started working from here back. That's all we touched. It was from here back. We didn't touch anything else. Everything else came as is. We put some BORLA Pro XS on it, on each side, with some quad tips. Looks nice and clean, a lot better than what it was before. He had some weird J-pipes on it, but considering it is cam with long tube headers, they really didn't do anything for him. So put some mufflers on it, hopefully it'll quiet it down some for him. We appreciate his service as a firefighter. So if you guys like, comment, subscribe, we'll let you guys hear it. For the BORLAs, by the way, I forgot to mention that. 40358, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. Down a lot. It's a lot louder before this, guys. Go ahead. 97. Oh, I saw a peak at 103. All right, go ahead and back it out. There's helicopters and traffic. Hit the idle on it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. That's a 16 Chevy Caprice, long tube headers. And all we did was put mufflers on it, the BORLAs. That's it. Yeah. Got a cam in it as well.